Hello everyone, my name is. So today I'm going to be teaching you beginner F2L. So beginner F2L is the thing that is most common before learning in CFOP method. So let me first understand you what is beginner, why F2L comes and where F2L comes. So CFOP. Let me grab if I have here any paper. So let me explain you. So as this is CFOP, hope you can understand my handwriting. So this is C F O then P. This is CFOP. K. So CFOP. This is CFOP. This is the spelling of CFOP. So CFOP. C stands for cross. Cross. Hope you can understand my handwriting, because I can't understand my handwriting. Nicely, even my teachers also. F2O O-L-L, then finally PL. P-O-L. So this is a PL. This is the meaning of first you do cross, then F2L, then OL and PL. So let me show you. Let me zoom out. Okay, alright. Scramble the cube. So now you solve a cross on the white side or any side you want if you are color neutral. So as I told in my old video, in beginner's method video, that I need to make a daisy over here. So in this video no, because in cross this is called advanced cross. You need to learn that. So what is there is you see pieces, you see how the pieces works, then you apply the algorithm. And now for example I can see U prime L2 R2. I already planned my cross in my inspection. So U prime R2 L2 to solve these three pieces to break the cross without doing anything. Now I need to solve this edge pieces. So in beginner's method mostly what I can do, I will insert a corner, then I will match like this, get a T, then I will do like this, which is quite slow. But in this video I'm going to teaching you F2L. So what F2L means is how to apply is you find some sort of corner piece and the edge piece. Now you apply some sort of combination of algorithms to solve this two lines. For example this one, and this is the last block. Then you solve this, which is called the OL. OL has 57 algorithms. Also if you learn the beginners one, which is basics, that has 10 algorithms. So for this one the algorithm is now here, which has 21 algorithms. So these are the algorithms. So as you can see again, cross, C stands for cross, F stands for F2L, O stands for OL, and P stands for PL. So I'm going to be focusing on today F2L because F2L is the most important. OL, PL just turning faster and recognition, but this CF, not common factor, cross and F2L are very important. So let me keep this copy aside. Where did you go? Let me keep this pen aside. Okay. So I'm teaching you the beginner's F2L. So beginner F2L maybe little bit faster than the advanced F2L in beginning. But if you learn advanced F2L some sort of, let me show advanced F2L case. If you see this case, need to insert it over here with the, oh sorry, what happened? So I see this piece, need to insert it over here. So how I will do is, instead of doing some sort of like this, I will just do like this, a arc, or from here I can do, but anyway I can do the arc, then I can insert this here over here. Now but I need to continue to not get a dot case over here. So for beginner, for advanced, if you are a beginner, just you will do like this and insert this, which is a decent case. Oh yes, this one is twisted. I just reflected. Which one is a decent case? But if you do some sort of like that, it will become very easy. So let's focus on F2L because 5 minutes it's gone. It's already 5 minutes recording this video, but I have not talked about beginner F2L yet. So let me talk about a beginner F2L. So guys, this is a case number 1 where you have this piece which is called HPS. Now how to apply that arc is the corner piece, this specifically this white color, this color is white color is facing that way, and the HPS over here. Now these two color means you may get two cases. I will link here one case 1 then algorithm, case 2 algorithm. You can check out the description for my old video also of the beginners method. Also you may check the videos. So how to apply this? To get some sort of like this, you need to just do this, move this layer up, this one this way, and these two doesn't match, and some sort of like this one up, this one this way, this one down. So it's pretty fast. As you can see, it's too short of algorithm. This way you may get lots of ways, but I think this is very fast. So the next, so guys, this is the next case where these two matches and this one like this. So how to do this is, if you do the advanced way, which is pretty simple, but if you do like this, no, you need a empty slot. So this is an empty slot. Now you can't do like this, which will break up this slot. Instead you can do a U and a rotation, or just a rotation and a U, and keep the back slot, means empty slot at the back over here where it edges. Now how to do it? Move this layer down, move this to over this, move this piece over here like this. If this two matches, then just do this. Now insert the corner over here. So this is just a CBLL. I can use the CBLL. CBLL is also a different thing. I will make another video. So these are the first cases done. Now I will categorize in cases like #1 case, sorry, number 1. This is number 1, case number 1. So this is case number 2. So guys, if you get some sort of like this, now same case, but these two were not matching. Also same case, but if you are, now you are not getting like this RU prime R prime, you are not getting. Now you are getting at the left way, which is left side. So if this two doesn't match, just put as L U, oh sorry, R prime U prime, which is the R for this. Now if you get this, we show the next case. Now what happens if these two color matches? So how to do this is same as the old one. Keep the back empty slot at the back, and if these two matches, just move this U, then this R prime, U2 R, then insert this pair over here like this. Very easy. Let me complete the row. In the last case also like that only you can insert. My next video gonna be of OLL, because at the end I will make the clear video. So the next, so guys, this is the last case. So if the corner, I'm focusing on this corner, if the corner faces to top, and find the edge. Now this is the edge. Now just match some sort of like this. Then how to do now is, see this color, if this color is this one, means blue, this is same that like old one. So you need to match with their respective center. This color should match with their respective center. Then do this algorithm called RG2 R prime, but so how you do, if you do some rotation now like this, it's not gonna be solved. Okay, not RU2 means this is a different thing. Now check this color. Now this is which color? Now this color is blue, and keep some sort of like this, and this color is blue. So blue color is over this way, and green color is over this way. So opposite of blue is green. Okay, any can be. So if this color is on this side, just move this like this, do like this. If this color is this side, move this like this, and if this color is this way at the back here, move this like this. So in this case this is like this, so I will do like this, then move this corner piece, top of this edge piece down to down, then insert this here over here and this move. So this is pretty big. So now let me go to a solve or something. Wait, did I really mix up at all? Yes. Okay, so let me do example solve. So in this solve I have already pretty bit done the cross. I have done the cross. Now solving these two pairs. So in this case also there are some of the special cases. I will special case I will talk at the last. So if I get some sort of case like this, no, I will talk now only. If I get some sort of case like this, so how to deal with this case is, now this is I can't do like this, I can't do like this, I can't do like this, also I can't do like this. So like this two, like this, then what to do is just move this one down, means these two, if these two matches and two matches, now move this one down if the corner piece is left and this one matches, then move this down, move this over, move this down, move this piece over to here, means this piece if I do R, that's me. Now move here, now here, now this piece one piece off, I need to insert it at the back and done. Now if the piece is inside these pieces, so how to take out is just take out the piece like this. Now this is case, now this case, this two doesn't match, but the pair is like this, and if you insert like this it doesn't matching. So how to do is move this one down, this one up on, and this one up. Now this two like this. Now I will just do like this and like this and down. Now this one, now this one with this one, same case. Now insert. Now if the piece is joined like this, how to break that piece? If left way, just do like this, R, U2, R prime to do this case again, or RU, R prime. Don't do RU, R prime, RU2, R prime. Okay, now set up like this and just I will do the up. So let me show you. First let me complete off the solve. Okay, so let me show some specifications. So guys, if the corner piece already inserted at the place but twisted that way, means the piece is twisted, so how to do? Insert it at this place, twisted, just take out this piece. Now solve the random. Now as I showed this case, now this is a different thing. So if I missed any case, or if you are getting trouble, you are getting into trouble or you can't understand, just DM me on Instagram. I will link my Instagram link in the description, or you can search VS Cubes, my channel name in Instagram. Also, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure to subscribe, because we need to reach 100 not 100 subscribers, we need to reach 1000 subscribers. Just subscribe, also like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.